yes, we're back in the crowded, messy garage. Absolutely. So, finishing up that cabinet finally, and I'll tell you what, kids, it is freezing outside. It's like mid-November now, and it's like freezing. So guess what? I just got done painting it, and it looks pretty cool. I still got the stencil on. I got to take it off. I did the C&O on one side, and let me flip it around and show what we got, and then I'll reveal it here in a second. Hold on. Yeah, there's a C&O that turned out pretty nice. The date I finished the actual cabinet itself was back in the month of 9. That's why the number is 9 of 2020. So that's how I come up with that. Just give a little bit of a thing there. So here's our stencil. Thanks to Mr. Cricut Machine, cut it out pretty nice and taped it all together. I had to use 3 sheets of stencil paper. So we'll see how it turns out here in a second. I'll peel it off here. So bear with me for a minute and I'll peel the paper off and see what we got going on underneath. Please hold. Beep. Yeah, check that out. That looks sweet. Yeah. Put a little arrow for the handle, kind of giving that boxcar look. I still want to put a few more things. I'm actually going to probably put Grand Trunk Western and possibly a Canadian National logo on here yet. And my last name, do a build by, So there we have it. So I'll give you a shot from afar here. So that's the cabinet in its entirety. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So like I say, I think I might put a few more things on there underneath the chassis system and go from there. So that is the cabinet for now.